Hey guys, welcome back. We have a 2007 Mercury Mariner here, and I just want to show you guys real quick what's going on with this thing. The complaint on it is that they can't get it started without messing around with the key. So he initially thought that it may be a theft issue or something like that with the vehicle. But here's what we got. Let me show you. Let me get a little more light on here. See if that works. I already took the cover off here because I didn't want to bore you guys with filming stuff that you don't have to see. This is the issue. Okay, I'm turning the key and it's not starting. If you guys can see on the dash, let me see if you can see this or not. Probably not. Let's see if I can get a better view. Let me see here. I'm going to shut the key off, turn the key on, and you can see in the corner on the left on the bottom the red theft light. It goes out. Okay, this thing is not in theft. So I took the cover off so I could get access to the ignition switch and the cylinder and all that stuff to see what's going on here. The other thing I want to show you is if you look at the key, you can see it's bent, right? The gentleman is telling me that when he pulls, he gets it to start by pulling. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to wind up breaking this key. It's already on the verge of breaking as it is. But he pulls on the key as he turns it, and sometimes it will start. That's how he got it down here. So let me move you guys over here. Okay, so as you can see here, that's the ignition switch right there where I'm pointing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this key on and I'm going to move the switch, and the vehicle started here with no problem. I had to change the audio, unfortunately, on here, so you're not going to hear it start up because somehow my mic ended up picking up the radio that my partner had on in the background, so I don't want to get flagged for that. I was going through this a couple of times just to prove out to you guys that the ignition switch is actually worn on this vehicle and it's causing the issue. So all I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to pop the switch out, and all it is on this thing is two tabs. You just push in with a screwdriver. It's a little hard to do with your fingers to get on the top one. Just push in with your little pick or with a little screwdriver on the bottom and then on the top, and you could just simply pop it out. I think it actually popped back. The one tab popped back in on me while I was doing this, so I had to pop it out again. But they come out very easily. You just unplug it, pop the two tabs, pull it out, and very simple to replace on these things. And at the time you have this out, you can check to make sure there's nothing broke inside the cylinder itself. But you can see in the video here there's a little bit of damage on the housing of the switch where he was forcing it, so that's really the only sign. But the switch itself is worn. Here's a new ignition switch. We're going to pop this guy in. Yeah, that was easy. So, worn ignition switch causing a no crank. Simple enough. That's the old one. Again, as you can see, nice. All right, so this guy is lucky it's not a theft issue. It's not anything severe here or serious. It's just a simple worn out switch. All right, so I guess that's going to be that for this one. Simple repair. These switches are not even bolted in, they're just a quick release. I wanted to show you actually, these are the tabs here, right on top and on the bottom. So you just push up, squeeze these basically together, and pop the switch out. That's really all there is to it, very simple. Takes longer to get the cover off, but this guy will be happy this is all done, and he doesn't have any more problems, so that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.